Women prefer three sorts of men: those who have a good sense of humor, those who are good listeners, those who have a promising future. Men prefer three sorts of women: those who are sensual in looks, those who aren't talkative, those who have an unquestionable taste. Mansoor Afzar.
I cannot survive without the three. Behold, the most vital person for you in life is no one but you. That always receives pain as an ultimate gain from the center of one's affection and devotion is one-sided love. Yes, it is the emptiness. Pen is my true friend.
And then an author was born, Mansoor Afzar.